Alright guys, so we're just coming from the supermarket. Just grab a few stuffs. I wanted chicken, but I never liked the chicken options what they had, so I just grabbed like a steak. So I'm gonna do that with baked potatoes today. Today's very chill Sunday, house clean, all of that. So I also made my candles yesterday. I wanted to video it, but I didn't get to do that. So we're just gonna cook and Netflix and chill all day today, Sunday. Another thing, I should be going out tonight for Souls night. So yeah, but today is literally just a chill day. I'm just gonna relax, and it also looks like a beach day, I'm not gonna lie, because the sun is sunning, but we're just gonna stay home at Netflix. So it's a Tuesday and we are going out on another solo date. I went to the Chinese food market on Saturday and we're heading tonight to Johnny's Place. It's a comedy show that they have every Tuesday. I think it's amateur night or whatever it is, but it keeps every Tuesday. And I saw it last week and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go this week. So I'm sticking to my plan for this week. I'm going there solo. I was supposed to go with a friend, but they're not available. I'm assuming, yeah, they're not available. So we're gonna head out there alone and show you in the quick fit. Jeans, sneakers. Yeah, that's the vibe. And yeah, we have on a little makeup. And yeah, that's the vibe for tonight. Let's go ahead and have some laugh, have a few drinks, and come back home and relax for work tomorrow. Let's go. Bad bitches had a beamer, that's a big dance. Bad bitches had a beamer, that's a big dance. Chrome heart got me kissing on his best friend. Put in work, baby, you could be my best man.
Right? And she have the jokes in as well. Please help me in welcoming Tikiana. Forward, Tikiana. Yeah. Tikiana. Alright.
Now, I want you to practice back and plus some more. Trust me, it's gonna go. You guys up on the okay? Nice.
Alright. We got the general. So, we have to give them 2 minutes to talk to the people each. Who will let them know what they're all about.
And next day, I'm travel again. This time, the rap another hole. Elephant. Run come. And
Hey, so happy Thursday. So it's my friend's birthday, so Tanya, and we're heading out to something. It's called One Park. That keeps everything on a Thursday. It's a Thursday night, yes, and I'm going out. I'm extremely tired, but it's her birthday, so you know your girl is gonna show up. Let's get into the fit. I'm wearing that this heels, this cute little Steve Madden bag that I got from my friend. And then this cute Shein dress. So this is the fit. Yeah, let's head out of here. We're late. All right, we're all done setting it up. See, extremely perfect for the space. It is so perfect for the space. I can either turn it this way or possibly, let me show you, turn it this side and turn it this way. I don't know, I'm still thinking about it. But for now, because if once I come through the door, the grill, I just put my shoes there. So yeah, I think I'm gonna actually liked it the other way, but we're gonna keep it there for now. But you see, perfect for the space. So as I come in, take off my shoes here, put it on the stand. Perfect. I love it. Let's move on to the table. Let's finish with the table. I just did like a version for TikTok. So it's looking very short, but I did choose this specific one for a reason. I think when I was looking, well, it's definitely kind of short, so I probably should have chose the taller one, but it can work for now. I wanted something like tiny, but I'm rethinking that it may be a little bit too short, but still gonna work with it. We're gonna work with it. This possibly could have go in our living area though, beside a couch or something. I did buy some decor thing to put on it. But when I pick those up, then I'll set it up to see how I like it. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Probably a little bit too short in it, but it's still proper. I can put my phone there instead of on the bed. Like, yeah, we're gonna work with it for now. So the link is on my Amazon storefront if y'all like it. All right, guys, it's Julian. There goes my voice again. So finish setting up everything. The one thing I forgot is to get to buy coasters, because obviously the table is by my bedside, and if I'm drinking or anything, I'm gonna rest it right on this table. So I need to get coasters. I'm not gonna buy it online. I'm probably just gonna just go to a store and get it if I see anything that I like. But Mega Bros for Amazon right now. But I'm gonna I'm supposed to take the next 2 tablets at 1 a.m. But I really want to go to bed. Yeah, I really want to go to bed. Here my voice is going. So I'm just gonna take these an hour earlier. It's not gonna hurt me. I did have like 2 boiled eggs an hour ago. So I'm fine. I ate something. I literally only had 1 scrambled egg this morning. I had a little bit of rice and a baked bean and salvage. And then since night I had 2 eggs. That's literally all I had today. I'm gonna ensure that I eat tomorrow because, like I said, tomorrow it's the surprise birthday party for my friend, and it's a boat ride. And I really don't want to get sick or anything, seasick, since I'm already sick. I don't normally get seasick, but since I'm not 100%, I don't know what's gonna happen. So, take a vitamin tomorrow. Take these tablets, another set, before I head out of the house. So I'm gonna have me these tablets. I'm gonna browse at Amazon for the coaster, and then straight to my bed. Straight to my bed. I'm so tired. But I like the table. I like that it's low. For some reason, probably when I put on little design, I did buy like a sculpture, and of course I'm gonna put my candle there. My candle is already on it right now. Yeah, I'm gonna figure it out. But I think I'm gonna need to get a coaster for it for sure. Yeah. It's not like I can return and see if I don't like it. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna work with this for now. Since I decided that I think I have decided I'm gonna stay here past my lease. I'm sure it's gonna be renewed. Well, yeah. When we get to that stage, too. But I've decided I'm probably just gonna stay here past the 1 year. For more than one reasons. I really yeah, I would actually like somewhere. I'm like a balcony girl, right? And I'm like, is it a patio or a balcony? Because I'm like somebody who sometimes I just want to go outside and think. That's why sometimes I go to the beach by myself or I go to places by myself because I want to think. And I think that had a balcony or like a patio would have worked perfect for me. And the other place that I should have gotten, and yeah, it's a whole mess that I didn't choose the other place. The other place that I should have chosen had a patio. It was an apartment complex, but it was on the lower floor, so it was like a patio. But yeah, so I think me choosing this place too, it was definitely in a rush because my lease was finishing December 1st, and the only other option, if I didn't find anywhere, I would not have stayed there. So I'd have to pack up my stuff in a store and then, stay with my mom until I found somewhere. And I really did not want that. So the next best thing was this place. It's alright, but I did like it was done in a rush, which I was in a rush to find a place. So Yeah, I really need somewhere with a patio or a balcony. I'm not gonna lie. So we're gonna see what happens for 2026. And the next thing, rents are so expensive here in Kingston, so that's another issue too. Um, yeah, my budget, I don't believe I should be paying in US. I'm never gonna um pay for a place in US really. I won't say never, but currently my space right now, I would not gonna do that, and so many other logistics. I am sitting else. I'm gonna turn on by the fan, take this tablet, and we'll talk. Catch up. I'm gonna bring you guys with me tomorrow, of course, on the boat ride, but I'm gonna be extra careful because I don't want my phone to be messed up again. So yeah. Hate taking tablets. Oh my god. Oh my god, I haven't been sick probably like 2 years. When the last time I really felt this bad? Over a year. I need to build up my immune system.